Every great mobile app has one thing in common: a clean button navbar. And most designers build it wrong in Figma. They end up with icons that don't align, active states that break, and a component that falls apart in different screen sizes. In the next 4 minutes, I will show you exactly how to build it the right way. You'll build a button navbar with 5 tabs items, an active and inactive states for each one, an auto layout, keeping everything perfectly spaced no matter the screen size width. Let's get into it. Create a 390 wide frame, that's your iPhone canvas. Draw a rectangle, full width, 80 pixel tall. This is the bar. Select it, hit Shift A to wrap into auto layout. Set direction to horizontal padding to 0, and alignment to space between. Good, that's your shell. Now build a single tab item. Create a vertical auto layout frame, icon on the top, label underneath. Set width to fill, gap to 4 pixels, and center align everything. Make this a component. Then add a variant, one for default, one for active. In the active variant, change the icon and the label color to your brand color. That's your reusable tab item. 2 states, 1 component. Quick thing before assembling it. If you just copy and paste the tab item 5 times without setting the width to fill, your tabs will clump to one side on wider screens. Each item must fill its column equally. That's one thing most tutorials skip. Go back to your bar frame. Drop in 5 instances of your tab item. It could be anyone you want, but you can have home, screen, save, notification, profile. You pick. Make sure each one has width set to fill. Watch. They divide the bar into 5 equal columns automatically. Now set the tab to active. That's your selective state handled. Switch it to any other tab in one click. No rebuilding, no duplicating frames. That's the power of variants. And there it is, a button navbar with 5 tabs, active and inactive states, and auto layout doing all the heavy lifting. Drop these components into any mobile frames and it adjusts. It works. If this saved you time, hit the like and subscribe. New Figma tutorials every week. Next up, how to build a full mobile card component with states and interactions. See you there.